I'm packing up the campsite this morning, doing chores. There's some cleanup you have to do when you leave a campsite. You want to leave it in better condition than it was when you found it, and this one was perfect, so that's going to be a hard hill to climb. But I'm going to start by cleaning my little table off and getting the Vivor cleaned out and packed away. I've got vinegar and water here to spray on my table. Just give it a good wipe. This has been a great little table. It's, oops, sorry, shouldn't tip the camera like that. It's Villey is the name, Villy, and I got it on Amazon. It's metal. It's the largest one they make, I believe. I know it's the large size. Maybe they have an extra, maybe it's the extra large. It's pretty good size anyway. It's not real tall, but it's just right for chair height, and it's very sturdy and easy to put away. It's all cleaned up. Just let it dry for a minute, and then I'll put it in its pack bag. There, now you can see the name, Billy. I got the Vivor cleaned out. I had my chair and my table in there, and map book and a water glass, things like that, and were in there. And I'm burning up the last little bits that were in the fireplace, and then I'll put water on it before I leave and get rid of these branches and things that are kind of in the way here. I still have firewood. I may leave a couple logs here as a gift to the next camper, and the rest is going to have to go with me because I'll be camping in a dispersed camping site. And I am going to want to have a fire there because I'll be out in the woods, and I don't want animals, particularly bears, coming around my campsite. So here's something I just learned the hard way. Put a top or a rug or something down underneath your Vivor before you set it up. I'll show you why. It's covered with dirt on the bottom. And I'm just going to have to pack it up that way. I don't have a broom and it's wet, and I need to get out of this campsite before the time limit runs out. So next time I'll put my blue top down, and before I set this up tonight, I'm going to have to let it dry a little bit. Live and learn. Everything has a place in the back of my van, and this should slide right in under there. I might have to move a couple things, but I think everything's all set up. Yeah, there she goes. Right in this humongous long bag that's going to fit right in there. And my poles go right over here, along with some other things. Slide right in here. And I have room under here to put two little outdoor rugs that I have. There they go. Yeah, that can go in a little more. As you can see, I've got to do a trash run, and I've got room for everything. When I make my bed in the morning, I put this blue sheet over it, and that way Max can get up there without messing up my linens. In case you were wondering how I travel with a very rambunctious little dog, just pull this, I throw it up as far as I can get it, in this direction. And I can reach it from the back. Go around to the back. And grab it. And I just start tucking it in. A lot of little pillows and things here that go on later. It tucks right in down here over the back of the mattress. My little pillows go on the side. This here tucks down into here, underneath my mattress. Just like that. Max, no growling. And my pillow goes on here. Max can have a nice place to land. And then I tuck it in on the sides, which looks like it is pretty much tucked in on the side already. Here's my water bottle. I need to fill that up. And this pillow goes up here. And now I'll have room under there to slide my 2 rugs. The rugs are going to go right in here on top of the V-More. My camp chair is here. My dish pan, my camp stove, my kitchen. Got to get rid of the trash. These are my WeatherTech blinds. And just need to straighten up some clothing, put the logs away, and I'll be done. My chair fits in this space here at the foot end of the bed. And I just poke it right in there. I hate putting things in stuff bags, so a long time ago I threw away the stuff bag for this chair. And I do regret that decision because I haven't been able to store it as easily.